welcome back to the channel. So a user requested how to add an Xray to an existing client, or how to code an Xray. So here it is. Basically, if you know Java, kill yourself now, because you're not going to want to watch this, because it is horrible code. And don't worry, Redups, this Xray is not going in. It's just a really simple Xray for this dude. Okay, let's make a new class called Xray, and then you should extends mod, and choose this, then import this. Now, so what we're going to do is click this and then click add constructor, but just for saving time, we are just going to copy this one in, because there's no point in me retyping it out again in front of all of you. And then we need to do this one, and then this. Okay. So yeah, so you're gonna have to put your super in, and then declare the name, and then do all this shit. So in here we'll just write shows blocks through the ground hacks. Okie dokie. So first what we're going to want to do is do on enable and on disable. So we'll do on enable first. So at override, and then we want to do public void on enabled, and then this, and then this, and then this needs to go here, and then this needs to go here. Okie dokie. So now we can do Xray dot enabled is equal to true. Then we do this. Then we go up here, and then we can do a public static boolean enabled, and then do this. So we can just set it to true and false, and on enabled and on disabled, and then we can check for it in the block class. Okie dokie. So this next bit of code here is basically going to light up the block, so it is not all dark. So then we're going to do a private float, and then we're going to call this old gamma, and then we're going to do this. And then right here we're going to do this dot old gamma is equal to Xray dot mc dot game settings dot gamma settings, setting even. So yep, and then we're gonna do Xray dot mc dot game settings dot gamma settings is equal to 10.0f. So again, and then a semicolon at the end. This is to fix the lighting. Xray dot mc dot games settings dot, and then we're going to do ambient occlusion, and then we're going to do equal to 1, and then we're going to do a semicolon again. Oh shit, no, we're going to do equals to 0, semicolon again. Okie dokie, oh shit. So now we want to do the on disable, so then we can do at override, and then we can do public void on disabled, and then these, and then this, and then if we scroll down, and we can put another squiggly bracket there. Okie dokie, on disabled, so we can do Xray dot enabled is equal to false, and we can do this. So we're going to be using that later, and we can do Xray dot mc dot game settings dot gamma settings is equal to this dot old gamma, and then we can do a thing here, and then we can do, and again this is just do, so once we've lightened it all up we can make it back to normal for everyone. Xray.mc.game settings dot ambient occlusion is equal to 1, and then we can do mc dot render global dot load renderers, and we can put this on the end of here again. So yep, and then the final thing we need to do is, so let's just delete these lines. We can do public, oh fuck, we'll do the thing up here first. So we need to do public, oh, and of course someone decides to freaking start drilling outside. Public array list, and then we do block, and then we do Xray blocks is equal to new array list, and then we do block here, and then we do 2 of these and a semicolon, and then we do this, and then we import Minecraft block, and that should be all good. And then we do public boolean should Xray block, and then we do block, and then we do block ID, and then we open another squiggly bracket, and then we go down here, and then go to down to here, and then we do it like this, and now we do if this dot Xray blocks dot contains block ID, and then do another one of these, open one of these, then return true, and then if, oh shit, need a squiggly thing on here, and then we can do return false, and then one of these, oh shit, and it needs to have a thing here. So daisy, okay, so that's everything we need to do in Xray now. So now we need to go to the block class, which you're going to open with Control Shift and R, and then we need to go to should side be, and then it's this one. So now let's create space here, and then we can do to do, and then we can do Xray. So you can do this, so you can quickly search for it, and then here we do if this is equal to block get block by ID, and then so here we'll do 56 for diamond, and then we'll do /t or, so we remember what it is, return true, and then a break at the end, and then we'll do if this is equal to block get block by ID, and then we'll do 15, and this is iron ore, and then we'll do if, and then we'll do Xray dot enabled, and then we'll do return false, and then we'll do this, and then we'll save block class. So yeah, I just accidentally forgot to put return true here. So if you put just So you just do this for every time you want to add a new block. So yeah, just remember to hit put return true after the second one as well. And then we'll go to mod manager, and we'll do new Xray. There we go. So you'll have to add it to your module manager. So now if we start Minecraft up, and then we go to single player, we can see if we hit X, we can see diamond and iron ore, so we can see, and all the lighting is done. But if we grab coal ore, you can't see it. So yeah, that's how to code an Xray, a simple, very simple Xray. I might do an update to this in the future where we do like a proper Xray with customizable blocks and customizable opacity. But yeah, anyhow, thanks for watching, and goodbye.